Greetings everyone. I have designed these 3D printed, lightweight, ultra portable target stands. Before we head to the shooting range and do a demonstration, I would like to show you a little bit of these target stands right here in the backyard of my house. Also, I believe if you print them out with TPU, they can be terrain adapting, self-heating bullet holes as well, in case you accidentally hit them. These are PLA, by the way. I have some TPU ones, but they're still in the print. They use these 60D 6-inch nails to connect them to the ground, and these 60D nails are 70 cents each at your local hardware store, and they use these 1x2 wooden sticks too. I believe they are 1.25 something each at your local big box hardware store. Let's go. This is a 60-degree one, and I'm going to stick it here. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. And the straight on 90-degree one. Let's put it here. And stick. Okay. Obviously, that's my own house. I'm going to use a airsoft gun for this demonstration. All right. Alright, now we are at the shooting range, and we will continue the experiment of my ultra portable lightweight target stand. Different from what you have seen on the other video, on the other portion of this video. My TPU, the rubber soft ones, are finished printing. So we are going to install all of these in the shooting range and see how well they perform. In theory, they will adapt to the terrain you nail them to because they're soft, and these solid ones can probably heal itself from bullet holes in case you accidentally shoot it. think it's shooting a little bit low. Yeah, it's shooting way low. I should aim higher. Oh, this one's coming out. I think if I print the TPU one, the soft rubber one, that's too low count of a wall, it will become too flexible. Alright, let's try to shoot with a 5.56 rifle first, and then we will compare the bullet holes of a 5.56 and 9mm on my rubber target stand. Huh. Come closer. Yeah, I think this is a bullet hole. Yes, that's a bullet hole from 5.56. It does. This solid rubber target stand really has self-healing properties. Okay, let's leave it stick in here now. Let's try handguns. Take a look. Did I hit any? Oh yeah, I did. See? This is a 9mm bullet hole. Here. Now let's shoot the PRA target stand. I think they will absolutely shatter if they get shot. But we will see. Let's take a look and switch to handgun. Expect the PRA ones to hold up so well. So well, we can very clearly see there are two bullet holes here, but still, it's still holding up its shape and holding up the target fine. That's the last few rounds. It's shattered, and here is the round going through a pistol round going through here. Well, it still held its shape. You can see how shattered it is.